Welcome guys, how are you? Welcome back to another video. In this video we talk about more one topic, the structure of human teeth. In last two videos we talk about the structure of neuron and about electricity. In this video we talk about more one biological thing, structure of human teeth. So let's start this video. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Also like this video and comment in comment section below, and please share this video. So let's start. So at first we have to know the all names of the human teeth or human teeth. So there are many types of teeth in a tooth in a human mouth. So this is a picture of the human teeth in a diagram also is called. So notice there are four teeth are arranged at the middle part of this jaw. Notice there are four teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4. These four teeth serially, and in the middle part of the jaw, it is arranged very serially. And like the lower jaw, in the upper jaw, there are these four teeth are arranged. Okay, these four teeth look like chisel. It is chisel-like structure, and these four teeth and total 8 teeth. Each jaw contains total 4 teeth, and total in number is 8 teeth. This 8 teeth called incisor. This 8 teeth called the incisor. So we will write that this 4 teeth is incisor. So we will write there this 4 teeth is called the incisor. So incisor helps to cut and bite any food. Okay, to cut and bite any food. It cutting and biting any types of food. Incisor helps. And like the incisor, you are noticed there are conical shaped two structure. Conical shaped two teeth. One, and notice that it is the first and it is the second. So 1 and 2. And these two teeth is in a one jaw, and like the upper jaw, there are more two teeth like these two. Like these two, there are more two teeth in the upper jaw. And total in number, the total teeth of this like this teeth, the number of total teeth is the total 4 number, and this teeth is called the canine. This teeth is called canine. These teeth are called canine. This teeth is called the canines, and like it is the incisor and it is the canine. So total number of the incisors, total number is the 8, and canines total number is the 4. So what is the basic work of the canine? The canine helps to holding, it used for holding the food and tearing the flesh. It helps to holding the food and tearing the flesh, means meat. It helps to cut meat and holding the food. So it is the work of the canines. Now we see the more one types of teeth. This like notice there, besides the canine, there were two teeth. And these two teeth have two cups like this, or the projection. Notice the two cups, projection, this projection, two types of projection. These teeth are called the premolar. And each jaw contains total 4 number of premolars, and in total and total number of the premolars is 8. So premolar is 8 in number, and each jaw contains 4 premolars. Now what is the basic work session of the premolars? It helps in crushing and chewing. The premolars helps in crushing and chewing. So we will write that in the board. These teeth are called. So we write it. These teeth are called the premolars. Okay, students. I hope you will get it. Now we will discuss about the last types of teeth, the molars. Notice there 3 teeth are serially arranged. And in each jaw there are total 6 teeth are arranged serially. And these teeth are called the molar. And like the lower jaw, in upper jaw there are total 6 teeth. Like the lower jaw, there are total 16 and total 12 in number. So what is the total number of the molar if you question. So this answer is the total number of the molars is the 12. So 12 molars in a human mouth, and the molars help in grinding the foods. It helps the grinding the foods. Okay, and notice there are the last two teeth in the molars, and these two teeth and total number of 4, 1, 2, and upper part the 1, 2 to total 4. These 4 teeth are called the wisdom molar. These 4 teeth are called wisdom molar, and these wisdom molar are discovered around 18 years, when the human's age is around 18 years, when these wisdom teeth are discovered, are happening. Okay, so it is the, so we write that these teeth are called the molars. Okay student, we write it. So it is the all types of teeth, all names, all types of teeth in a human, all types of tooth in a human being. So it is the diagram and all types of teeth and their work session. Now we will discuss about more one topic, and this topic is named the structure of the human tooth. So let's start. Like the diagram of a all types of human teeth, you are noticed that there have a diagram of a structure of a human teeth. Notice that this is the structure of the, this is the human tooth, but it is the structure of the human teeth. It is the inside, it is the internal part of the human teeth. So we will notice that there are a white color part. There are a white color part. Notice that this part. Okay, so this part is called the enamel. Okay, this part is called the enamel. The enamel is the hardest part of our human body. It is the hardest part. It is the hardest material, also we say. So it's called the enamel. It helps to cut, chew, crush, and many types of food. So it helps to cut foods. It is the very hardest part, and is the hardest material in a human being. So we will write here that this part is called the enamel. So this part is called the enamel. Below the enamel, you noticed that there is a hard bony tissues that makes bulk of the tooth, and this part is called the dentin. This part is called the dentin. Yes, below the enamel, this part, notice there, this hard part, this colorful, this hard part is called the dentin. Okay, so this part is called the dentin. So we will write there, this is the dentin. So in the dental, there has many types of small canals, and each and every small canal, between each and every small canals, it can flow through the cytoplasmic strands of the cell run. It helps to cytoplasmic strands to cell run. Means it helps to transmission the cytoplasmic strands. Okay, so dentin. So first is the enamel, second is dentin, and third part is the very soft part, is the innermost part. This part is called the pulp. So it is the three parts of the. So first is the enamel, second is the dentin, and last is the pulp, the inner part, and very soft part. And there you notice the blood vessels and the nerve fibers, limbs, and many types of things are located here. And this from this blood vessels, pulps, and nerves, the teeth get foods and many types of things, also stimuli, impulses, and many types of things. So this part, this soft part is called the pulp cavity. This soft part is called the pulp cavity. So we will write. So this part is called the pulp. Okay, so these three parts, and notice there, they have a red color part. Okay, besides its teeth, and this red color part is called the gum, and the uppermost part of the gum, means this part, this part to this part, this uppermost part of the gum, this uppermost part of the gum is called the crown, is called the crown part. The crown part of that is the upper part of the gum is called the crown. This red color, the upper part, from here to from here, and it's called crown. And this part, when the gum is attaches with the teeth, this red color part from here to from here, this part is called neck. And when it is goes under the pulp, goes under the gum, this part, the lower part is called the, this lower part is called the root. So it is the root, and this is the neck, and this is the crown. Okay, crown, root, crown, neck, root, three parts. Okay, so like it is the internal structure and it is the outer structure. The outer structure is the crown, upper part is the crown, middle part is called the neck, and last part is called the root, and interest part is the enamel, dental, and pulp. So it is the structure of a human tooth. It is structure of a human tooth. I hope you will get it. Now we talk about last topic, and this topic's name of the dental formula. Yes friends, the last topic is the dental formula. So let's begin. Now we discuss about the dental formula. Last topic, the dental formula. Okay, so before the study about it, dental formula, we have to know all types of teeth and their numbers. Okay, so we will write in the board. Notice here the total number of the incisors, it is the 8, and each jaw contain total 4 teeth. Each jaw contain total 4 teeth, and the total number of the canines is 2, and each jaw contain total 2, and premolars, total number of the premolars is 8, and each jaw contain total 2, each jaw contain total 4, and last is the molars. Total number of the molar is the 12, and each jaw contains total 6 tooth. Okay, and there we will notice that incisor, total number of incisors is 8. Okay, and each jaw contains 4. Okay, so if we divide a jaw in middle, so we notice this incisor, total number of incisors, this 4 teeth, goes to 2, and canines goes to 1, premolars goes to 2, and molars is 3. Total numbers of teeth. If we divide it in middle, what I want to say? I want to say that 1, 2. This I want there. It is the one jaw, it is the lower jaw, it is the upper jaw. I divided it in this part. Means this 1 to 2 incisor, 1 canine, 2 premolars, and 3 molars. And like this part, there are 2 premolars, 2 incisor, 1 canine, 2 premolars, and 3 molars. It is the okay. So we will notice, if we will notice, so the 4 teeth converted into 2 by 2 means each jaw contains total 4 teeth in incisor, and it divided in 2 parts means I want there have a 2 by 2 structure, 2 by 2 structure, 2 by 2, and like the incisor in the canine there are 1 by 1 structure, 1 by 1 structure, and like the canine we will notice there are a 2 by 2 structure in premolars, and in 3 by 3 structure in molars. Okay, so we will write that there are a in serially, if we attach this progress, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and in lower part we will say the 2, 1, 2, and 2. Now so the last is the 3. So it is the dental formula in adult human being. It is the dental formula in adult human being. Okay, so I hope you will get this. So students, it is the all function of the all types of teeth, structure of tooth, and also the dental formula. I hope you will like this video and also comment, subscribe my channel and share this video. So let's begin. And okay, bye bye. We will meet in next video. Wait, bye. Goodbye.